The state's highest court says it cannot block serial child rapist Wayne Chapman from getting out of prison.
WBZ's Anaridis is live for us in Boston tonight, where one of Chapman's victims spoke out against this decision. Anaridis?
David and Lisa, this is that 5-page ruling handed down by a single justice of the Supreme Judicial Court denying a petition to keep Chapman civilly committed and ordering him to be released from prison. Hours after the decision came down, we heard from one of Chapman's victims for the first time.
Good evening. First of all, I'm going to take these off because I'm the victim, not the offender. I don't need to hide anymore. I'm 54 years old now, and that's been my life. I was given a life sentence that day. I think the offenders should be given the same.
They don't really...
Identifying himself as Steve, this 54-year-old says he was one of 2 boys Chapman was convicted of raping in 1977. He says he was abused by Chapman in Lawrence when he was 11 years old. Chapman was sentenced to 2 concurrent terms of 15 to 30 years in prison and has been civilly committed since 2004. That is until last month, when his attorney filed a petition for discharge. Well, that petition was appealed, and Steve's attorney challenged Chapman's release, claiming the state failed to conduct a judicial review of Chapman's medical examination. In the decision, the single justice writes, quote, "If neither qualified examiner forms the opinion that the petitioner remains a sexually dangerous person, the petitioner is entitled to be discharged without trial," saying that's state law. Steve's attorney says there needs to be government oversight, and the full judicial court must review those medical examinations.
They don't really agree about the basis for their opinion, and we point out the dramatic differences between those 2 examiners' opinions, with one of them saying he is at the 2nd highest level of likely to reoffend. He is likely to reoffend.
In the meantime, Chapman's attorney says that a release date has not been set. He still needs to find him a place to live. He says he cannot live independently and will likely live in a nursing home or a state-run hospital. That's the latest. Reporting live here in Boston, I'm Anaridis Rodriguez, WBZ News.
Anaridis, thank you. We're following some breaking